These are the complete new axle assemblies we put in our electric series Land Rovers. And you'll notice a few things that are a little bit different from stock series Land Rover axles. Things like disc brakes, electric park brake. They're a lot shinier. They're a lot fancier, but all for really good reason, I guess. We work with design development engineering who build these for us. We used to do a lot of the assembly. We used to make a lot of the parts ourselves, but honestly, it was more efficient for them to do the complete assembly, ship them over in these crates, warranted, sorted, tested. We're always looking for those efficiencies where we can work with great suppliers around the world to get the best quality products, and we can focus on the EV systems that are really our speciality. So I'll show you some of the details in here. Disc brakes, of course, front and rear. So new hubs with new discs, so Defender calipers front and rear. The front ones being that little bit bigger. You'll notice things like the machined end caps are just a bit more solid than those original press fit ones. Upgraded steering arms, all nicely coated, of course, but more solid than the original, quite thin little bits of rod. New brake lines, all of that. The other thing, though, that's in here is different diff ratios. Essentially, the original cars were designed to work in a field, and they were never really designed to go at sort of freeway speeds. Now, with a new electric motor, of course, they can travel much faster, and you want them to go a lot faster. So this changes the ratio from, roughly where it was at 4.5 to 1 to about 3.5 to 1, which is what's in a newer Defender sort of thing. So new diff ratio, new diffs, importantly in the front axle here, where it was a universal joint in here and here, it's now a CV. And the key reason for that is that we run a constant four-wheel drive system rather than a selectable two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive system. The other big change is with the centrally mounted motor, we don't have a park brake on the back of the transfer case. So we use an electric park brake. So that's actuated in the cabin by a little drive mode selector and also a manual switch. And this clamps on, of course, like, so many modern cars with an electric park brake that comes on within a second or two. So these are, beautifully built, beautifully assembled, warranted packages that we can drop under the cars and know that we've got the best series Land Rover axles in the world.